Hi there, students. To soothe. To soothe means to reduce pain, to relieve pain, to make something less painful, to assuage discomfort. So, for example, I took an aspirin to soothe my headache, to relieve it, to reduce it. I put some cream on my burnt hand to soothe the pain. Okay? So, to decrease how painful something is, to make it hurt less. And then we use to soothe figuratively, meaning to calm somebody, to calm a situation, to placate, to calm somebody down when they're unhappy or when they're angry. The baby was crying and I sang her a lullaby to soothe her back to sleep again. I had an angry client in the shop and I finally managed to soothe the client by offering a refund. I put on some soothing music to help me sleep. There you have soothing as an adjective. So to soothe, either to reduce pain or discomfort, or to calm a person's strong feelings. I drank a herbal tea to soothe my nerves. I put ice on his sunburned skin to soothe the pain. Lemon, honey and ginger can soothe a sore throat. Ooh, that feels better. I soothed the child's fears by explaining calmly. He was so upset it took an hour to soothe him. In English, we have a phrase to pour oil on troubled waters. And many people think that this idiom means to make a bad situation work. But to pour oil on troubled waters is to soothe a situation, to calm it down, to make it less strident and less strong. Or we have the phrase, music has charms to soothe the savage beast. So maybe if people are really aggressive, you can calm them down by playing music. Music soothes the soul. It takes away the pain. So, to soothe, to appease, to assuage, to calm. Or with pain, to alleviate, to soften, to take the edge off. Okay, what about formality with this verb to soothe? I think I'd probably give it a 6. I think it's slightly formal, but I think you could use it in an informal conversation. You could use it semi-formally and formally. So, a good flexible word. Notice as well, to soothe is a regular verb. It soothed me. The music has soothed the situation. Now, what about origin? Well, it comes from Proto-Germanic, or even probably before. There's a Proto-Germanic word, sampona, meaning to prove or to certify. And then there's a Middle English word, Soothe, meaning to verify or to prove the validity of. Now, in English we have another word, Sooth, without the E, and that means truth. And that is where this word came from, or soften in Middle English became Sooth, truth. The word sooth, I think, is very archaic nowadays, although we still have a soothsayer, a clairvoyant, somebody who predicts the future, who tells what will happen in the future. And this over time changed into to reduce pain. So maybe if you're told the truth, it reduces uncertainty. So to soothe, to reduce the pain, to ease somebody's pain. Take an aspirin to soothe your headache. The situation was very tense and nervous, and I did my best to soothe both of them. Okay? Maybe détente is an effort to soothe relations between two countries that are enemies. So there you go, to soothe. He gave the beggar some money to soothe his conscience. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To soothe.